Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a crucial aspect of running a successful YouTube channel, understanding your audience. Whether you're a budding interior design guru or a home makeover enthusiast, knowing who's watching your videos is key to creating resonating content. Let's break down how to analyze your viewers' demographics and psychographic. Let's get started. First, let's talk about demographics, including age, gender, location, and more about your viewers. Knowing this helps you tailor your content to meet their preferences. We'll start with some handy tools. Head over to Social Blade. This site provides an overview of your channel's stats like subscriber count and video views. For example, let's look at a popular home makeover channel with 500,000 subscribers and 50 million views. We can see there's a solid following. Next, use VidIQ or TubeBuddy for more detailed insights. Check common tags like home makeover, DIY, and budget renovation. High SEO scores on these tags mean your content is well optimized. Now analyze your video content. What types of videos do you create? Are they full home makeovers, interior design tips, or DIY tutorials? Notice which videos get the most likes, comments, and shares. High engagement indicates what your audience loves. Look at your comments section. Positive feedback and recurring themes can tell you a lot about your audience's interests and needs. Engage with your viewers by responding to their comments and taking note of their suggestions. Use community posts to interact with your audience. Polls and Q&A sessions are great for understanding their preferences. Don't forget about social media. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are goldmines for insights. Monitor your followers' engagement and popular posts. Google Trends is another powerful tool. Search for trends related to your niche, like home makeover ideas. Notice the spikes in interest during certain seasons. This helps you plan your content calendar. Keyword research tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush can help you find popular keywords and understand what's driving traffic to your channel. High search volumes and competitive keywords indicate strong audience interest. Finally, analyze your competitors. Look at channels like Mr. Kate, Lone Fox, or Alexandra Gator. Compare their content, engagement, and audience interactions. This helps you identify what works and find opportunities for your own channel. And there you have it. By understanding your audience's demographics and psychographics, you can create content that truly resonates and grows your channel. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy creating.